treasures or 7 gifts, gives your gifts, and then si DJ ang bahala kung paano kayo pumasok. Uulitin ko, kapag pangit ang pasok, ulit. Kapag pangit ang pasok, ulit. Ready? Alright. So, 7 treasures, ganyan nyo kasi inaantok na si Crystal eh. Okay? Ayusin nyo ha? Ayusin nyo. Alright. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's present to you our 7 treasures or 7 gifts. These are, ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for our personalities. Alright. Here we go. None other than Ate Ivy. Not model. Okay? Okay lang. Sige. Tingnan natin yung next. Okay? So, nag-model. Ayaw ko mag-model ulit, ha? Ayaw ko ng ganon. Ayaw! Please, per favore. Ayaw ko ng ganon. Ang batoy. Our next song is Ate Julia! Sumigaw lang eh. Kala mo nasusunugan eh. Sunod. Huwag kakawin na ha. Ayaw ka ng model, ayaw ka ng susunugan. Ready? How about Tita Johnny? Believe it, just watch. That's right, galawang sugar mommy. Now next. Okay, subukan natin to. Subukan natin to. DJ, are you ready? Here we go. Give it up for Tita Marion. Alright, pang Victoria's Secret na mapasok nyo. Mga gusto ko eh. There you go.
Live!
Sumarap na. Sumarap na. There we go. Our next is, I will challenge you, Ate Rosaline. Okay na, okay din. May kasamang bata. Accepted. Okay. Ito, from London ba ito? Hindi. From Philippines. Okay, sige. Ang layo ng Pilipinas. Sige, tingnan natin ito. Please give it up for. Please give it up for. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ate Cherry! Sa ito pag mga kasalamin.
Kasali ka ba? Kasali ka pala, Ben?
Here you go! Last but not the least, hindi natin kung hindi tayo mapipigilan. Okay? Kalisan to, kalisan! Pirucho! Pang Pirucho, ladies and gentlemen, Tita Jopay!
Sasayaw, sasayaw. I mean, kasali ka pala, B. Senen. Hindi daw, hindi.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po sa Villafranca family sa pag-ibig dito. At kay Ninong Pino.
Live, naka-live kaya.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. From Perugia family po.
Hoy, mayroon kang
Alright,
chat
from Piruja family, saying I love you to all, and once again,
Meron
thank you
kang
very much for our
power.
7
Meron
treasures
saglit.
or
Lubat
7 gifts na nagbigay po ng regalo para po sa
Hoy,
ating
sama
server.
naman.
While taking pictures ng ating 7 treasure, o take a picture naman. Okay.
Wala akong kapicture.
Siyempre, get ready po ang ating
Wala akong
7
pang-upload.
candles.
Puro